Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be doing my pink squishy collection. Most of the squishies are pink, but the some of them have a white in it too. Sorry about that. But yeah, but before we get into the video, make sure to smash the like button if you enjoyed this video. And comment down below, Gen Squad, if you want a shout out, and subscribe. Turn on post notifications if you want to keep track of my videos, and subscribe. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. And yeah, sorry about actually my light in the video, but yeah, let's get right into the video. So the real squishy is this lemon. It's mostly pink, like a pink lemon. And next I got this milk. See, this is like the white and pink one, but I think it still kind of counts. Next one is, I think it's Millie the Whale. It's a little defected because my dog got to it. But it's okay because I barely squished this squishy. But I got all my squishies from Amazon besides the very, very small squishies. Not this squishy, but yeah, we got this one. Next one I have is this donut. Next one I have is this one. This one is from I traded. It's very slow rising. I think it's a bestie. Next squishy is this owl. Sorry about the background noises, but the next one is this Soft and Slow Peach. I love squishing the bottom like this. It's very squishy. And this is by my dog, and I actually ripped that because I just really like the stickiness inside of it. But yeah, the next one is this hard pink donut. Let's see, hold up. Yeah. Next one is this Soft and Slow cake piece. I think there's a defect right there. Yeah, it's a defect. I'm surprised that these two little chocolate things haven't got defected, but the whipped cream, it has got defected. So yeah, it's very slow rising, like it said in the little thing, soft and slow. Next is this, and no, I didn't rip them off. My cousin did. I don't know what that is on my face, but I do have these things right here. Hold up. It's that right there from my sister. Yeah, she stuck her nails into me. Okay, next one is this little bear. Next one is this fish. Detected fish. And the last one is this, I think, coffee drink. Very squishy. That's pretty much it for this video. Make sure to smash that like button in the face if you enjoyed it, like I said. And what is that actually? But and comment down below, Gen Squad, and any video suggestions you guys would like with squishies, DIYs, anything. But yeah, guys, I love you all so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.